Today we are discussing the CCNA based interview questions and answers for Cisco Certified Network Associate 200-301. You can download the complete list of CCNA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Certified Network Associate is: explain the purpose of the OSI model's data link layer. Your answer should be: the data link layer is responsible for framing, addressing, and error detection in the data link between two directly connected nodes. It is divided into two sublayers, that is, Logical Link Control (LLC) and Media Access Control (MAC). Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of the hubs and spokes network topology? Your answer should be: in a hubs and spokes topology, one central hub is connected to multiple spoke devices. It's commonly used in wide area networks (WANs), with the hub serving as a central point for communication between spokes. Our next interview question is: explain the role of ACLs, access control lists, in network security. Your answer should be: ACLs are used to control access to network resources by defining rules that permit or deny traffic based on specified criteria. They are a fundamental component of network security, controlling traffic at routers and switches. Feel free to ask for clarification or additional questions. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of the ARP Address Resolution Protocol cache, and how does it work? Your answer should be: the ARP cache is table that maintains mappings between IP addresses and their corresponding MAC addresses. Devices use ARP to discover MAC addresses associated with IP addresses on the local network, and the mappings are stored in the ARP cache for future use. Our next interview question is: explain the difference between a stateful firewall and a stateless firewall. Your answer should be: stateful firewall keeps track of the state of active connections and makes decisions based on the context of the traffic. It is aware of the state of the connection and can make intelligent decisions based on that information. Stateless firewall evaluates each packet individually without considering the state of the connection. It makes decisions based solely on predetermined rules. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of the OSI model's physical layer? Your answer should be: the physical layer deals with the physical connection between devices. It defines the characteristics of the hardware, such as cables, connectors, and signaling, necessary for the transmission of raw binary data over a physical medium. Our next interview question is: explain the role of the OSPF Open Sort Path First protocol in routing. Your answer should be: OSPF is a link state routing protocol used to determine the best path for routing data packets within an IP network. It calculates the shortest path based on the network topology and shares this information with other routers using link state advertisements. If you are preparing for any Cisco based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.